Instagram, Art Morris, TotalBeTheBroke.com, TotalBeTheBroke.com. Finally back home here in San Bernardino. Subscribe. I'm at a friend's apartment right now. Take a look out the window. Subscribe. How are you guys doing? Give you guys a little talk right now. Right now, there is not a government shutdown. I repeat, there is not a government shutdown. So that means if you're a student, you have to keep paying your loan. So whatever the Democrats are talking about, uh, getting a deferral, you can't get a deferral. Subscribe. My goal, we're going to help 5 million students who are motivated, invest in themselves to pay off their student loan. We're going to help 5 million students or people pay off their loans or credit cards. Subscribe. Reason why I wanted you to do this is like in the past 18 months, the Feds have increased the interest rates by 5%. That means if you're paying $1,000 on $10,000 debt a year, now you're paying 15%. Your interest has gone from 10 to 15%. Now you're paying $500 more. So for that same $10,000, you're paying $1,500. Now that's $500 more, and you haven't even bought anything. That is the power of interest. Subscribe. That's why I'm going to show you some strategies. I'll talk to you about the credit card challenge transfer. If you don't do a credit card challenge transfer, I'm going to just show you the power of interest. And another thing you got to be aware of is price inflation. I'm Art Morris, TotalBeTheBroke.com. I was over $135,000 in debt back in 2008, involved in like a state lawsuit. I was going into foreclosure back on property taxes. Now I'm down to $6,000 in debt from 135. It's not like Dave Ramsey, not debt free yet, but hey, how would you feel if you reduce your debt by 100,000, 120,000? Got your student loan paid off like I did on August 3rd, 2023. Subscribe. Make sure you stay in touch with me. Got some great techniques for people who want to pay back loans. It's all about that loan because eventually those loans come due.